Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction, man. So, Pablo is about to drop his music video sa bago niyang kantang Usad later, no? Later mamayang gabi. We have the teaser or music video teaser na nilabas kagabi pa ata to, I guess. No. Ngayon umaga lang, no? 5 hours ago, man. Usad MV teaser, man. Let's check, man. Let's see the vibe.
Masyadong nadidinig din yung boss na kapag nawala siya, parang hindi nagiging balance.
Oh, like a BTS, no? Sana magkaroon tayo ng BTS after ng MV, no? May labas ng MV para makita natin yung paano yung process nila, no, during the recording, the rehearsal, the recording, no? Ang saya siguro nun. Or maybe ganito yung no? Baka ganito yung music video, like yung behind the scene of the recording. Right? Because again, this is the teaser, pero pinapakita yung rehearsal and recording.
2, 3,
Go! Di na man ako nagmamadali, mahirapan man na.
Nice. He actually has a choir, an actual choir, no, for the song.
Ako'y tatanggapin, pinasasalamatan ko pa rin lahat ng ito'y babalik. Oh my goodness!
Kailan mo ba yung huling beses na nagkaroon tayo ng music video from Pablo? Parang sobrang tagal na, no? Later, man. Later, alligator. Okay. Alright, that is Pablo Usad MV teaser, man. Akala ko magkakaroon tayo ng actual, like, teaser for the music video, but I guess the music video is going to be like a behind the scenes shots, I guess. Kasi it is a bit confused, actually. I'm actually confused. Kasi ang title ng video is Pablo Usad MV teaser. So this is the teaser for the music video, right? Pero yung pinakita is yung behind the scene for the rehearsal and recording. So I guess that ganun yung magiging klase ng di ba yung mga ganun klase yung music video parang behind the scene lang ng actual rehearsal, or minsan ang ginagawa nila yung music video parang clip lang ng mga concert, di ba yung mga ganung klaseng music video. I guess ganun lang gagawin, no? No? Wala tayong actual music video like Justin. Kasi I guess yung kay Ken Ken ba actual music video din? Parang pictorial yun, di ba? Parang pictorial niya ng Sulfur. Anyway, well, that is again Pablo Usad MV teaser. I'm really excited for later. Man, kita tayo mamaya, no? Kita tayo mamaya. Well, that's our reaction for today. See you in the next one. Peace.